1 week ago, Lily plays his iPad and saw a pirate video on YouTube and likes pirates videos.
Lily. Take off the treasure, it's not yours.
That's mine.
And Lily brings a rubber duck and the boat, and Lily turns on the tap and make an ocean, and Lily will have fun.
This is the best ocean ever. I could sail forever. Aye, Captain Ducky. We off to find treasure of the Candy Island.
The water kept filling Indy and his brother's room.
Oh my god.
Look. Mom. I made an ocean.
Lily, that's a flood, not an ocean. Clean up now.
It's cleans the bathroom and make back to normal.
Look. Mom. Everything is back to normal.